Picture this. You're at home and suddenly the power goes out. The familiar hum of appliances fades, and your kitchen is plunged into darkness, lit only by the soft glow of candles or a flashlight. The stove sits cold and silent, completely unusable, and you realize just how much you rely on electricity for your daily meals. The microwave, usually your go-to for quick meals, is now just a shiny, useless box sitting on your counter, reminding you of how quickly convenience can disappear when the lights go out. Whether it's a sudden emergency, a planned power outage, or even a spontaneous camping trip, losing access to a heat source can catch anyone off guard. But here's the good news. You don't have to settle for bland, boring, or unsatisfying meals just because you can't cook. With the right foods on hand, you can still enjoy variety, flavor, and nutrition, even in the most unpredictable situations. A little bit of planning goes a long way. By stocking up on no-cook foods and organizing your pantry ahead of time, you can ensure that you and your family are prepared to eat well, no matter what happens. It's about more than just survival. It's about comfort, peace of mind, and even a little bit of normalcy when life gets disrupted. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of ready-to-eat foods that require absolutely no heat and minimal prep. These are the foods you can simply open, eat, and enjoy. No stove, no microwave, no problem. From canned classics to nutritious snacks, these options are perfect for emergencies, busy days, or anytime you need a quick meal. These pantry staples aren't just convenient, they're packed with nutrition and can provide a real sense of comfort when things feel uncertain. Having a well-stocked supply of no-cook foods means you're always ready, no matter what life throws your way. So stick with me as we explore the 12 most practical, reliable, and tasty no-cook foods you'll want to keep on hand. Whether you're preparing for a blackout, a natural disaster, or just want to simplify your meal routine, these foods will help you stay nourished and satisfied even when the power is out. Let's kick things off with a classic, canned beans. These humble pantry staples have been a go-to for generations, and for good reason. Whether you're stocking up for emergencies, looking for a quick meal, or just want something nutritious on hand, canned beans are always a smart choice. Beans are a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. They're ready to eat right out of the can, making them perfect for those times when you need a meal in minutes with zero fuss. You'll find canned beans in a wide variety of types and seasonings. Think black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, pinto beans, and more. They're filling, incredibly budget-friendly, and versatile enough to fit into almost any dish or cuisine. Eat them plain for a simple snack, or get creative by mixing them with canned veggies, fresh herbs, or your favorite spices for a quick, no-heat salad. You can even mash them up for a protein-rich spread or dip. Pro tip: if you have water to spare, give your beans a quick rinse in a colander. This simple step helps reduce sodium content and can improve the flavor and texture, making your meal even healthier. The humble canned bean is always ready to step in, whether you're at home, packing for a road trip, or out in the wild on a camping adventure. Lightweight, shelf-stable, and endlessly adaptable, canned beans truly earn their title as the ultimate protein powerhouse. Next up, nut butters, peanut, almond, or sunflower seed. These spreads are emergency pantry heroes, rich in healthy fats, protein, and calories. Eat them straight, spread on crackers, or pair with dried fruit for a quick snack. They're shelf-stable, kid-friendly, and comforting in stressful times. With so many varieties, there's something for every palate. Don't underestimate the power of a good jar of nut butter. It's a nutritional punch and a morale booster. Let's swim over to canned tuna or salmon. These oceanic staples are protein-rich, omega-3 packed, and ready to eat. Just pop the top. Eat them straight or pile onto crackers for an instant sandwich. They're shelf-stable for years and come in single-serve or larger cans. For milder flavor, choose tuna packed in water. Canned fish is a pantry staple you'll be glad to have, rain or shine. Now let's talk about the perfect vehicles for spreads, canned goods, and just about any topping you can imagine, crackers and rice cakes. These crunchy staples are more than just snacks. They're the ultimate blank canvas for creativity in the kitchen, especially when you want something quick and satisfying. Lightweight, portable, and requiring absolutely zero prep, crackers and rice cakes are ideal for pairing with nut butters, canned fish, cheese, hummus, or even fresh veggies if you have them on hand. Their versatility makes them a must-have for anyone looking to whip up a meal or snack in minutes. Crackers come in endless varieties. Think whole grain, multi-grain, seeded, or classic salted, so you can always find one to suit your taste. Rice cakes, on the other hand, offer a gluten-free, low-calorie crunch and are available in flavors from plain to lightly salted or even sweet. Both crackers and rice cakes have impressively long shelf lives. Just keep them sealed in their original packaging or airtight containers to maintain their crispness and freshness for months. They effortlessly turn simple ingredients into satisfying meals or snacks, and their mess-free nature makes them perfect for kids, lunchboxes, or on-the-go eating. Plus, they're easy to portion and share, making snack time a breeze. Don't forget to include these crispy, comforting crowd pleasers in your no-cook stash. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, packing a picnic, or just need a quick bite, crackers and rice cakes are always a smart, delicious choice. Got a sweet tooth? Dried fruit is your no-cook savior. Raisins, apricots, apples, mangoes, naturally sweet, loaded with vitamins, and a quick energy boost. Lightweight and shelf-stable, dried fruit is perfect for snacking or mixing with granola. It's kid-friendly and adds variety to your emergency food supply. Look for unsweetened varieties for the healthiest choice. Dried fruit satisfies hunger and brings a bit of comfort to any emergency. For something savory and substantial, jerky is a top contender. Beef, turkey, or plant-based jerky packs protein and is designed for maximum shelf stability. Just tear open the package. No prep needed. It's filling, comes in many flavors, and even vegan options exist. Watch the sodium, but for a quick, sustaining snack, jerky is hard to beat. Perfect for bug-out bags, road trips, or hunkering down at home. Need something to wash it down or make cereal edible? Enter shelf-stable milk and plant-based alternatives. These last for months without refrigeration. Dairy, soy, almond, oat, or rice, take your pick. Perfect for drinking, adding to coffee, or pouring over granola. Many are fortified with vitamins and minerals, and plant-based options are allergy-friendly. A few cartons in your pantry can make a world of difference, especially for kids or cereal lovers. For grab-and-go nutrition, granola and energy bars are a brilliant choice. They balance carbs, protein, and fiber, and come in endless varieties to suit any taste. Individually wrapped, portable, and with a long shelf life, they're perfect for emergencies. Look for bars with whole food ingredients and less added sugar. With these in your pantry, you'll always have a tasty, sustaining snack within reach. Don't overlook canned vegetables. Brimming with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they're essential for a balanced emergency food plan. Eat them straight from the can, mix into salads, or spread over crackers. Packed at peak freshness, they offer nutrition without spoilage worries. Choose low-sodium options and rinse if possible. Canned veggies are the quiet workhorses of any no-cook pantry. Soup spells comfort, especially in uncertain times. Ready-to-eat canned soups can be eaten cold if needed. No stove required. Choose soups with beans, lentils, or hearty veggies for maximum nutrition. Look for low-sodium varieties and consider single-serve cans for easy portioning. Pair with crackers or rice cakes for a complete meal. Canned soups are a perfect addition to your emergency kit. Trail Mix is the original energy snack, a blend of nut seeds, dried fruit, and sometimes chocolate. Lightweight, non-perishable, and packed with calories and healthy fats, it's perfect for emergencies. Find blends for every taste or make your own. Each handful delivers flavor and energy, and it's incredibly portable. Resealable bags or single-serve packs make it easy to stash anywhere. Trail Mix is a nutritious, satisfying pick-me-up for any situation. Last but not least, canned fruit. Juicy, sweet, and packed with vitamins and hydration, it's a comforting staple. Choose fruit packed in juice or water for a healthier option. Enjoy it on its own or as a topping for rice cakes or granola. Canned fruit is the finishing touch that brings nutrition and a burst of flavor to any meal. There you have it. 12 no-cook foods to keep you nourished and comforted when the unexpected strikes. Building an emergency pantry is simple and affordable. Stock up on these essentials for protein, carbs, healthy fats, and a little sweetness. The best emergency food is what you'll actually want to eat, so pick your favorites and rotate your supply. Thanks for watching.